I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Alright, my good people, now welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your number one channel for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our nation, Nigeria. And just like we normally do, we don't come with breaking news. We don't come with updates wey I wan share give the general public. And the cocoa be say, the Edo State Governor wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo of the All Progressive Congress, he na don come outside now dey yarn say him personally buy new chair. He personally buy new office chair after his predecessor, after the former governor Godwin Obaseki allegedly took his own seat wey dey carry the Nigerian coat of arms emblem on it comot. As he comot as governor, him carry him chair follow body. So the new governor now wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo come gas to go buy his own new chair. Come gas to go buy a new office chair for himself. Now speaking on Tori People their channel on Thursday evening, Senator Monday Okpebholo wey be the governor of Edo State, he come dey sound like man wey dey fed up. The administration of his predecessor, the administration of Godwin Obaseki go whine am, but he no panic at all. He now come dey yarn say last they go torchlight the matter, but him personally no be him go lead the investigation, no be him go do the probing, no be him go do the torchlighting onto the administration of Godwin Obaseki. But make him know very well say the system last go make sure say his administration is being torchlighted and they will recover all the funds wey he mismanaged during his time as governor. No be him go by himself come dey do am, but if na the doing, e go last happen. And him consider yarn say he don observe plenty things as he don enter office. He don see am say dem tie money in different things dem. Money just dey hang, money just dey miss. But he no dey worry because he know very well say when the time come, they go recover all those money we miss. They go recover all of them in full. Then he now come dey express his disbelief. He now no believe wetin him eye see as the former governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, allegedly remove even basic office furniture. Senator Monday Okpebholo dey let the general public dey know say as he enter government, as he enter office as Edo State governor, he carry him own money to go buy his own seat. That na sake of say the former governor Godwin Obaseki, as he come out as governor, he come out with the chair. And that normally e no make sense. Because last that chair now they bear the Nigerian coat of arm emblem on it. Now government something. Now we don't know whether true now Godwin Obaseki now buy the chair, understand? But may no be say he na Congo collect government property as he come out. But on top of this very particular matter so far, Godwin Obaseki himself, they don't sama accuse give, he never can talk put. But you see the current Edo State governor, Senator Monday Okpebholo, he now dey yarn say before a former governor go fit collect chair, before he go fit collect his own seats as he come out, wetin he no go fit collect? Man we don't collect chair, na money or be na wetin we no go fit collect. And no be lie, my good people. You see Senator Monday Okpebholo of the All Progressive Congress, INEC declare him the winner of the September 21st governorship election wey sell for inside the year 2024 for inside Edo State, Benin City, after he don defeat the People's Democratic Party, their candidate. And him now will be Senator Monday Okpebholo, he come dey yarn say his victory for the election polls them na divine intervention. No be say na anything. Say the people of Edo State don't they cry for a change. The people of Edo State don't to cry for better thing to reach them. Last, he na that better thing, he na that change with the people of Edo State be pray for. And even if they even do the election again, he know very well say he go win. Even in the next 20 years, he go still win the governorship election for inside Edo State because last now him be the rightful winner. Then he come a summer story they give the general public about how things been they be that way in the run for senator. Instead that time everything was working against them. There was no water, no light, no road, no money, no fuel. Everything be they run against them. But compared to the People's Democratic Party, where we say everything be there in their favor, yet then we get nothing. Last win. So he now they try talk say his victory in the polls was God's intervention. You understand? I say now something is meant to be. No be by church, no be by say you get connect or you get money and every other level. When God don't sign up, he don't sign up. Last now God win. Then on how he intends to foster unity between his administration and the opposition, that is on how he want to make peace between himself, wey be the All Progressive Congress candidate, and the People's Democratic Party, wey be a rival. E shock the general public when Senator Monday Okpebholo dey yarn say for inside Edo State there is no much opposition. Say many of them know the truth, and many of them now secretly even voted for him, wey be Senator Monday Okpebholo of the All Progressive Congress, while they were still in the People's Democratic Party. And those men now wey support him, those men now wey vote for him, even as dem dey for inside the People's Democratic Party, they no wan comot for their party come join the APC that time because of the things and things wey they dey gain from the former governor Godwin Obaseki. And now, as I been yarn you before, on top the accuse of say Godwin Obaseki collect chair as im dey comot for office as governor, the man in question never come talk anything about the matter. He now never reply the accuse, you understand? But be rest assured, say anything wey come board, any response wey later come outside, we go relay am give the general public. Now, anyhow this matter be you for body, or any contributions wey you get concerning this very particular topic, still feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. And normally, my good people, it's not wrong, no be bad thing for a current administration to torchlight a previous administration. As the Edo State Governor now, Senator Monday Okpebholo, they use ways and means to take find out how things take play during his predecessor's administration, during the time of Godwin Obaseki. No be bad thing at all. And in dey do am in the interest of the general public. But men wey sabi now, many country people don dey yarn say with the way they follow the matter, if it be say this man carry something for mind, is looking like something wey dey personal. And no be like, my good people, the national chairman of the All Progressive Congress, Abdullahi Ganduje, he be don sermon warning give the Edo State governor, it's making no torchlight the administration of Godwin Obaseki. E get why? Make him just comot body, make him go on with him business, doing his normal thing for the Edo State people. But the Edo State governor no listen. I mean, they believe say many country people now they go dey in support as they torchlight the administration of Godwin Obaseki. No one, but many dey yarn say even as they pursue the matter like this, make it be say e no come dey do things or talk things wey true no happen. Make it no be say they will come dey cook up stories now concerning the former administration. Even as petition dey tribunal their table challenging the legitimacy of the Edo State governorship election wey produce him, Senator Monday Okpebholo, as the winner. As far as say they don't elect him as governor, until the tribunal drop a final judgment, he gets the right to do anything wey he want do for inside Edo State. This, my good people, now the information we I want share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, or if you get contributions about this very particular topic, feel free make you drop them inside our comment section. Now we be reality latest gist. Now they like give on our reality news on politics and many other cocoa with the sup for inside this our green white green country. So if you like this informate and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we bring more news they come, now you go first receive the updates and you go even get them sharp. And I beg try make it share the news they give your family and friends so that them too they go know what they happen for inside this our great nation